Wave Masters.
Get out the way, get out the I'm about to blow, my nigga, my bomb. Somebody enrich me a day with a dime. I got no feelings, my nigga, from now. Niggas ain't safe, niggas ain't working out, this is my time. Your time is over and you can't rewind. I got to pick it with the rhymes. Cause I work like a toss, I got a sauce. I work like a boss, walk all the talk. I work like a talk, I got a sauce. I work like a boss, walk all the talk. Yeah, I got them bitches bending. I never did what they tell me. I was working my engine, now I'm driving them crazy. I've been on my own if I must confess. I did so much but I do not brag. Tryna be friends will make your shit last. I got my shit buzzing your ass. Yeah. Tryna pay my dad with this step. Fucking anybody that been thinking I don't rap. Had to let myself in order to like them. My punch is like a bullet, I've been feeling like Tyson. Wait, what you said to me? Everybody knows that I'm a man to see. Birds on the table, got the recipe. The flow is nasty and you can't see. Whatever with the best, man. I told her I got it, you ain't gotta rush mine. Told her I got it, this what the niggas wanna stop my hustle, but I got it, my nigga, this shit don't love my love. Yeah, I'm underrated, gotta say though, gotta hate it. Goddamn, I'm motivated. Rolling with my niggas, I'm alienated. Scope on the throne, boy, I'm eliminated. Love. Boy, I'm your sensei, the day that I date. My dad would negate, but else can I say? I'm done up that thing so overrated. Yeah, never mind what they said. Every day I say grace, every day I mention. I'm done up waiting, just wanna make it. So get out the way, get out the I'm about to blow, my nigga, my bomb. Somebody enrich me a dick with a dime. I got no feelings, my nigga, from now. Niggas ain't safe, niggas ain't working out, this is my time. Your time is over and you can't rewind. I got to pick it with the rhymes. Cause I work like a toss, I got a sauce. I work like a boss, walk all the talk. I work like a talk, I got a sauce. I work like a boss, walk all the talk. Yeah. Sheesh. Bitch. Yeah, love. I done told you I don't doubt. I show the ladies in my raps, it's all I gotta stop. Whoa, look, I don't mean to disrespect, but if you know my work, bro, tell me who's the best. I'm too ahead of my time, rap like this should be a crime. But I got balls and ain't nobody can put me behind it. I give no fuck for no fame, just give me money. She gave me head and I gave the bitch knowledge. Whoa. When the boy's mad, is a cannibal. When I ask you who's the best, I'm being rhetorical. Whoa, I seek for longevity, I'm not commercial. How you wanna compare to go with a dinosaur? Let's go with this fast flow, gas flow, I'm ready to attack. Don't test me though, this my cash though. You gon' be the first one who won't last. I've been working with no pills, but I'm mellow focused, nigga, I can chill, yeah. G.O.D. rockin' with me, I done told you, you can never stop the bro. I'ma tell him now, peeky icky with a sound, yeah. How you niggas wanna diss me if you ain't even got your own song, yeah. Come on, baby, I know, yeah. I can never fuck around, yeah. I don't give what they say, they pray, don't make it, but I don't even worry. I'ma tell it, think bigger, see the bigger picture. Anyways, I said damn, and myself and did it. I'm just tryna be in a good shape. Eu tô na B, eu tô na Síria, eu tô a tentar só fazer o meu way up. Mas tem as pessoas que sabem tudo, podem vir mudar essa minha voz. Yeah. I get so good that it don't go, don't go. Don't let nobody stop you. You got dreams, go for it, you know. When I started, I wasn't even that good.